Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, install Xampp and the Net SDK, then open your project environment. Once done, enable Apache and MySQL in Xampp control panel. Make sure ports 80/3306 are free. Next, create a C# console or ASB NET project and add a MySQL client package via NuGet, MySQL, Data or MySQL connector. This gives you the libraries you need. Finally, set up a local database and user in phpMyAdmin, because your code will authenticate and connect to that database. Now you write the concrete C# code to connect. Begin by constructing a connection string, server equals 127, 0, 0, 1, port equals 3306, UID equals root, PWD equals YORPWA, database equals DBName. Then create a MySQL connection instance and wrap it in a using block so it disposes automatically. Use MySQL command with parameterized queries to avoid SQL injection. Call open, execute reader, or execute non-query, then read results. Make sure to move credentials into app. To finish, run your app and test simple select/insert queries. Confirm results in phpMyAdmin so you know the end-to-end path works. If it fails, check the MySQL service in Xampp, firewall rules, and port conflicts. 3306 must be reachable. Also verify the database user has proper grants. When errors occur, catch exceptions and log them. Inspect MySQL exception number and messages to pinpoint authentication, network, or SQL syntax issues. Once stable, consider using connection pooling and secure secrets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.